Hey! Napansin mo na ba na there will be people who for whatever reason will be unfair to you or treat you badly kahit na wala ka namang ginagawang masama sa kanila? Minsan nga, these very same people will even return evil for the good that you do to them. And yes, the temptation to get mad and to get even is real. But you know what? Yan naman ang gusto ng kaaway eh. Ang magalit tayo, pumatol sa masama, at gumanti. So please remind ourselves that we are not of the evil one, and we are not called to pay evil for evil, but for good for evil. Tough call, right? But by the grace of God, we can, if we will, for this is where we are called to be good and to do good to everyone.